In this video, I want to talk about how to get more engagement before and during your events.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
From offering event prizes and raffles to raise buzz before the event and during the event itself. So first of all, where and how do you get items to give away in the raffles? Because they can be expensive if you pay for them, so you don't want to pay for them. So ideally, you'd get sponsors. As I mentioned in other parts of the course, it is hard to get sponsors who give cash, but you can get sponsors who donate something, and it can be digital products like an online course, an ebook, a PDF, a membership to some site, even their time. For example, I used to attend an event where there was a business coach, and he would give away 15 minutes of his time to a few select members of the event, and for free, he would be listed as the sponsor of the event. He had to do nothing except provide a little bit of time. And all he would do with that time is just come a little bit early to the event and spend one-on-one 15-minute sessions with some of the attendees. So really a small investment from him, but he got a lot of exposure to the attendees and got mentioned as the sponsor. And if you give away memberships, it doesn't have to be full memberships to anything. It can be partial memberships, like discounts to memberships. So discounts are still good. Probably you still make money from them. So you not only get to be a sponsor, but you get to sell your memberships. So it can be very attractive for sponsors. You see, they don't have to donate cash. They can donate something that doesn't cost them a lot to create or reproduce. And if you really cannot get a sponsor, you can create these on your own. Give away discounts to your website or your products, give your time, create an ebook, create an online course. These are relatively easy to create. Now, it's really hard to create an amazing ebook or a course. If you want to do something amazing and give it away, yeah, that's hard. But it's relatively easy to create a shorter version of these things, and then you'll have something to give away forever, because once you create a digital product, you can give it away 1,000 of them if you want over time. There's no cost to reproduce. And you can give these items away before and after the event using social media to raise buzz. Right? So you can have like online social media contests. I'll give you a few examples of ideas. See, like biggest promoter, right? Like you can pick any of your attendee who retweets you or reshares you, you'll give them some ebook. And you can just email out to your list. And if anybody promotes you and gets you attendees or brings people with them after or before, somehow you can give them a prize. But that will incentivize all your attendees to promote a little more. You can give a prize to anybody who posts the best photo or video. Obviously, posting photo or video gives you content, gives you reshareable things on social media, gives you promotion. And again, if the items that you're giving away are free to reproduce, it's no cost to you, and you're just getting more activity, more buzz, and more promotion on social media. Same thing with local member. Let's say if somebody comes to like 5 events in a row, well, fantastic. That means they bought tickets, and you just gave them something away that's really easy for you to get. So, and this also, by the way, when you create something like loyal member, biggest promoter, that's the beginning of gamification, which is another level of stickiness. People want to become loyal members just to be recognized as that loyal member. It sounds silly, but people want to gain levels and points and that public recognition. Also, another very simple type of a contest you can do that only takes a second is something like if you make a social media post saying, retweet this to enter the contest to get my PDF about something. The way people would enter the contest is simply by retweeting your promotional tweet with the link to your event. So basically, you just get tweets, and you can give that prize that you're giving away, that PDF, to everybody who retweets. So everybody who likes on Facebook, everybody who retweets, who reshares, gets that little PDF. Again, it's free for you to give away, but you're getting a ton more promotion right away because you're incentivizing it. So these are the strategies to use raffles and prizes and giveaways to get a lot more activity and engagement and extra promotion from your attendees and boost your events that way.